Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to block content on YouTube. If you want to content anyone's on YouTube, so let's see how can you do it. First you have to open your YouTube app, and YouTube app you just have to do some settings. First you have to look for the videos of the channel which content you want to block, as I'm going to block this one. So just tap on three dots, and here you have to select don't recommend channel. Just tap on it, and here you can see I have removed the video. If you want to remove a channel, so you just have to search for channel. You just have to search for that channel, as I've entered the name of channel. Now search for it. Here's the channel, just tap on it, and after doing this you have three dots. Just tap on it, and here you have the option of hide user from my channel. Just tap on it, and then tap on hide user, and after that you will not show the content of this user. If you want to undo your settings, just tap on undo, and after that your settings will be undo. Now you will be able to see the content of this user. So that's how you can block content of YouTube. Basically you can't block anyone's channel on YouTube, but if you want to do this, you just have to add a Chrome extension on PC or phone, and with the help of content extension you can easily block the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.